How to sign in Netflix login. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign into Netflix and log into your account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. To sign into Netflix, all you have to do is open up the Netflix application and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now if you have saved any of your accounts from before, you can simply go ahead and then log into those Netflix accounts, but if you haven't, then you will see this type of interface where you have to just tap on the login button that you can find from the top right hand side. Now all you have to do is simply make sure to basically enter the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account, and then make sure to enter your password, then tap the sign in option. If you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password option in order to reset your current account's password, or if you just went ahead and then basically haven't created an account, you can tap on the get started button as well. But as I said, you can also simply choose to log in with one of your saved accounts. So that's all it takes to log into Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.